We're not here November 1, November 2, so we are here after. Lola, my grandpa.
Ma, kumusta ma? Lagros. Pero Lagros.
Oh, look. Lolo Albert.
Lolo Albert.
Amo?
Naroon mo naman mo sa ganyan posisyon. Para makaalam.
The sun is on our heads, shining. There's no place to hide because literally the sky is above us. Next is Tito Ben.
Attorney Ben Matias.
Si ate, ano naman si ate?
Ako ay may
Ay.
kumusta ka dyan?
Tito Sinaida.
Ate? Ate?
Ate mo yan.
Ate? Namin sila ate.
Putting candles. Lunch time.
Out November 15. Nabutan mo na.
I ordered Shanghai lechon kawali, chop suey, chicken, sweet and sour fish, soup ni mother, and 2 drinks again for me. I got a mango shake and I got an iced caramel macchiato. Masiram ka din. So parang gibuta na may gatas. This is very, very good. Parang gibukuman ka na kadaya.
Ano yung bukan nga?
Sa New York, ayun akong machine para sa espresso. Not masyado, it's not that sweet. But it's good. Very good also. Ubos yan. Ubos ka ding doha.
Ano ka to?
Caramel macchiato. Here, mother will try.
Mother approved.
Will mother approve? Creamy. Masira. Chop suey. Sweet and sour. Lapu-lapu. Kuyang chicken. Lechon kawali. Lumpia Shanghai. And a lot of white rice.
Hindi mo kan siya nga ito.
Parang once lang nag-regarod ka. Makin maulit mo.
Ano ulit nyo?
Maray mo. Hindi naman kami nag-dito.
Let's see.
Lumpia.
Oh, may nabo ba?
We are now on the way to visit Tito Manuel in what's that place called?
Rendezvous.
Herrera. Yeah. And this is the way to the
Going there.
Pokilao. Mayon, covered at the tip. See? Far.
Nakatinampo.
Wala, may
Ano mo lang.
Oh, just like it.
Just like,
like
it.
that.
See?
Fresh. Very, very fresh.
You drink.
Oh, gatubig. Clean water.
Ano, ang asan sa tissue.
Ano siya?
Muslim.
May tissue ako dyan sa
Here.
bako.
Nalabi ka. Ma.
Ah, di, tayo muna kami sa ikod-kod ka.
It is the first brownout of our stay. And it's hot. Thank goodness for solar. Or battery or charging lights. Welcome to Ligao City, land of brownouts. Brownout. Look at that. It is so dark outside. The only lights are the solar lights. That's gonna last a few more minutes or maybe an hour. This is dark. Let's see how long this lasts.